least common multiple, that is LCM. To find the LCM, we must find the multiples of the given numbers, then common multiples, and then the least of the common multiples, that will be the LCM. Let us see how to find the LCM. Let us find the LCM for the numbers 3 and 9. If one number is a multiple of another number, then we must write the multiples of the smaller number. Here 3 is the smaller number, so we write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, etc. We are having both 3 and 9 in the multiples of 3. So, the bigger number of both these numbers, that is 9, is the LCM. For any numbers, if one number is a multiple of another number, then the larger number will be the LCM. Now let us find the LCM for the numbers 15 and 18. Which number divides both the 15 and 18? Yes, 3 divides both 15 and 18. How many 3's are in 15? 5 3's are in 15. So we write 5 below 15. How many 3's are in 18? 6 3's are 18. So we write 6 there. Which number divides both 5 and 6? No number divides. So we can stop with this. If both the numbers are divisible by any number, then we continue to divide. Otherwise, we can stop. Now the LCM is 3 into 5 into 6. Multiply all these numbers. We get LCM. We write 3 as it is and multiply 5 and 6. 5 6 are 30. 3 into 30. 3 30's are 90. Now the LCM is 90. LCM for 15 and 18 is 90. For any numbers, we can follow this method to find the LCM. Now let us find the LCM for the numbers 4, 8 and 12. Which number divides all the three numbers, that is 4, 8 and 12? Yes, 2 divides all the three numbers 4, 8 and 12. So we write 2 here. How many 2's are in 4? 2 2's are in 4. So we write 2 below 4. Now how many 2's are in 8? 4 2's are in 8. So we write 4 below 8. Now how many 2's are in 12? Yes, 6 2's are in 12. So write 6 below 12. Now see which number divides all the three numbers 2, 4 and 6. Again 2 divides 2, 4 and 6. Now we divide by 2. How many 2's are in 2? Yes, 1 2 is 2. We write 1 below 2. Again, how many 2's are in 4? 2 2's are in 4. So we write 2 below 4. How many 2's are in 6? 3 2's are in 6. So we write 3 below 6. Which number divides all the three numbers 1, 2 and 3? No number. So we can stop with this. Now we multiply all these numbers. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 3. We write 2 as it is and multiply 2 into 1. 2 1 is 2. Multiply 2 into 3. 2 3's are 6. We write 2 as it is. multiply 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. So we have 2 into 12. 2 12s are 24. Now we have the LCM as 24. Now the LCM for 4, 8 and 12 is 24. For any numbers we can find LCM in this method. Now let us find the LCM for 9, 12 and 16. Which number divides all the three numbers 9, 12 and 16? No number divides all the three numbers. So let us see which number divides at least two numbers. Yes, 12 and 16 is divisible by 2. So we can divide by 2. We cannot divide 9 by 2. 9 is an odd number. So we write 9 below 9. How many 2's are in 12? Yes, 6 2's are in 12. So we write 6 below 12. Now how many 2's are in 16? Yes, 8 2's are in 16. So we write 8 below 16. Now which number divides at least any two numbers? Yes, 2 divides 6 and 8. So we divide by 2. We cannot divide 9 by 2. So we write 9 below 9. How many 2's are in 6? 3 2's are in 6. So we write 3 below 6. How many 2's are in 8? 4 2's are in 8. So we write 4 below 8. Which number divides at least any two numbers? Yes, 3 divides 9 and 3. So we divide by 3. How many 3's are in 9? 3 3's are 9. So we write 3 below 9. How many 3's are in 3? 1 3 is 3. So we write 1 below 3. We cannot divide 4 by 3. So we can write 4 as it is. Now check which number divides all these three numbers 3, 1 and 4. No number divides. So we can stop with this. To find the LCM, we multiply all these numbers. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 4. Let us multiply. 2 2's are 4 into 3 3's are 9 into 1 4 is 4. We write 4 into 9 into 4 36. 4 into 36. We multiply 4 into 36. We have 144. Now the LCM for 9, 12 and 16 is 144.